At the Pryor Law Firm, we handle slip and fall accidents, trip and fall accidents, which include a wide variety of types of accidents, whether it's a trip on a defective sidewalk, a defective staircase, snow and ice liability. You slip and fall on snow or ice in a parking lot or on a sidewalk. They are actually very complex cases. They may seem simple, but they are not. The law on slip and fall cases, and particularly snow and ice cases, is very complex. It is very important to contact a lawyer immediately or as soon as possible, because the evidence that you need to prove your case can still be collected. We recently represented a woman in the Bronx who slipped and fell in a parking lot when she was at work on an ice condition. We recovered over $1 million for that client because we were at the scene promptly. She called us and we went into action. We had people at the scene inspecting the parking lot. We collected witnesses, other people who worked in the building, who were able to corroborate that the snow and ice removal contractor did not come that day and put sand or salt down or do anything to clear the parking lot. In fact, it was a sheet of ice. While the building owner disputed it, we were able to prove them wrong, and we got her the compensation and the recovery that she deserved. At the Pryor Law Firm, we handle slip and fall cases in all boroughs of New York City and on Long Island. And the rules are different depending on where you live in terms of maintenance of sidewalks and repairs of sidewalks, whether it's the city that has to repair them or the building owner. But you need a lawyer to help you with those answers, and a lawyer that's experienced in handling these types of cases. If you've been involved in any type of slip and fall or trip and fall injury, you have two types of compensation available to you. You are entitled to compensation for your pain and suffering, and especially if you have a permanent injury, that could be in the millions of dollars. You are also entitled to be compensated for your medical expenses or loss of earnings if you have any, both in the past and in the future. If you've been injured in any type of accident, call us at the Pryor Law Firm. The call is free, our advice is free. If you can't come to see us in any one of our 3 locations, in Brooklyn, Manhattan, or Nassau County on Long Island, we will come see you, either at your home or in the hospital.